Apart from the general field, Everest Form also offers various advanced fields. So let's explore it one by one. First, we have the website and the URL field. This field allows users to enter the company website URL or the personal URL. Similar to the general field, in the field option, you can change the label, meta key description as per your requirement. Here, you can also enable the tooltip option. Next, we have is validate as unique option. So when you enable validate as unique option and some user tries to submit the form again with the same website URL, the form won't be accepted. This means only one form will be accepted with the one URL or the website. Now under the advanced option, you can choose the hide label, default value. You can also choose the field visibility under read only or the hidden option. Lastly, you can also enable conditional logic for the field and make other changes on the field options as per your requirement.